Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mars New ya ka jing sapliang jong ka video ha social media ya ka jing Shah Dawa Pisa jong ki tourist word klem slam ki pulit ila start ya ka jing token but hadin bala token kila kem no ya home guard volunteer ubadan bat ka madan Teng traffic branch superintendent of police jong ka East Council suba Vivex im ule thu ba new home guard volunteer udai beratip keteng kum uri concern Carlor bat uradan live sans nem kerta USP ule thu ba ka jing Dawa Pisa kala ja ha ka arpen rio trek una pra arja pesan ha ka por kendai steng emin step ha saulan ha ka jing toket USP ule thu ba tau pulet ula ong ba ka kali Maruti 800 wrongly kala pen headstand bakala tenra salet yu bat kumta ula thong da ka scooty bat yo bat ha Happy Valley bat ula rung hapo ka kali jongki bat ula Dawa Pisa silak henry ha ka jing akran kita kitores kila siu show khatsan jatun ka henry chim na pentip syaka traffic branch ya kani bat kata ka Pisa kam dan jing kain satya ha ka traffic branch namar bakade ka kam ka ula le hi marwe ha ka jing pet benya ki pulet na ka CCTV ki lap bakam de satya kumba ula kena baka kali katan rayu bat ka datang kan ya shutau ki pulit kila kemi bala pengat eu ha ki kendon ain ba per kom ka kendon Dawa Pisa ka kendon kran ketin klemakor bat ki wei pat ki kendon bat lara eu sheying bishar uniu home guard volunteer udai ubra yo Khusnam Teng na katanat pulit namar ba ula yo bat Teng ya kinong hydro
wherein allegations of Shillong police was alleged to have threatened and extorting the occupants of a vehicle, and that a fine of 15,000 was taken from them. This video went viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video, an inquiry was made, and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch. And on the 26th of December 2025, at about 9:35 a.m., he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector. And at that particular time, he was near Saulat. The vehicle which these occupants were traveling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley. And while driving past him, it almost dashed him. This home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took a ride from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially had asked for 1 lakh, and after constant pleading by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and 2 of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Maranting Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Maranting Traffic Branch, nor to the staff of Maranting Traffic Branch, and this has only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a sumoto case has been taken up by Maranting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. And the home guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties in the district and shall be produced before court today. Kani gadi toket kadang day tang tasni kadang dan ka inquiry ba nila register case. Ang nispan ngin dang toket shisho laudan kiti ha kibri kibala angat hakung kini ya pot ni kidi ban wan chakmat ni But kawai ru ye kibri ko na bar hi ngakan tu kan paham ki ru ba ide man phone hi ka number 112 de kidan kanu anu wes ka ke jing kedu ka balang kum kani hi bukan pen camera ni ya ka district police but kan police bro kawai hi
Ketika kompos yang ini semua ini kamu ini menjadi
kawai ni ngila instruction si bungin ka ba kin maintain ka discipline kin in nang ban buram yakibai ka kom kren yakibai ki kamta me jadi laki baklaru kadon kam ban dan kata kata kerum ka kren ki da akor ka baar pada kinya de kum ka ani kinde kanu dikile kanu kam bi ani timot kilangat bi hakai but nginu spare yanu bang ne ki da zero tolerance for corruption and extortion di ya kata ingin ya kata buat ingin bersang bet ingin nangyay bersang bet ba ka Meghalaya police bat ka East Coast police bat ka STP hi ingin ai kata ka jing syakri sopai ba ban ingin maintain kata ka discipline bat ka dekorum kisi khatsan jar and they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest.
sampai di dunia
Jan yo Andre baka nadi baka yo ti kamot udan ni kumanyi haki CCTV cameras footages niya udan ka handset ladi ban petip chaka branch bat kamdan kanu jiman saw akamet chungu ti kata ka baong ba kani ka tenra yu le sia kala ya state ne kala jan de yu hande ban ong bakan tenra yu ko dawa to silak ki kata kalau kalong bi an baka program tu
ini komlong komban jadi kalau penjak pro
em kata di shisha hi kalong kani tang de jing le jongwei ubreu hi ka long kala than ya ka this department hande hakanu ka organization don hi gini support hi ki ba ngidi ban identify ban ngidi ban wengro but ka STP kam dalong hi kam long hi da satya kum ta hi ngidi we are committed to public service and ngi long zero tolerance ya ka kanu ka kam be ai
Ikilia itu apa itu atau di yang mungkin enggak di sekolah jam itu terus terus ini kita
min shwa hot uni la dan bat ni mentala dan mak Islam bat ladan benta kapan kem hi kali ba bat drugs
Itu kan jile cuma itu kan jile apa dan mau ini dan ciri pada orang paru dan pembentukan pada sini kamu itu dari rumah dan ini cinta terkait ya apa pada tuan dan perlu dan perlu
em hakatu ka si dan marwai but let's see bakin nanya step ru ne kina jan rai u ne slot yu uladi ban piltip shaka branch but hakani ka bentaru kila don hi ki officers but ki head constables bandi ban dan kuna mahandai uni pada naka duty pada ulashim kabu pada ban dawa Pisa siman hi
kalau gaji ini kalau mereka yang video CCTV itu bersempuan pada penlam ini kamu baru ni
MB ka CCTV kalong kami ka CCTV hadian bakal ada dua jinja pada ngisap hab ni hab analyze kam de bagi real page CCTV berasisi ting hab page hey ka jika hei ka janang ta pada hei ka CCTV bala malam ka jingli ajung real